Now, here's another one. X of t is equal to 4 cosine 4t 4 cosine 4t minus 9 sine 4t. Minus 9 sine 4t. 9 sine 4t. 4t. Up. So that. Now, for cosine, for the conversion of cosine, so let's for example, this numerical coefficient is gonna be b. It's gonna be 80 for this one, for just for this example. Every numerical coefficient here, numerical coefficients here is gonna be a for now, and t, of course, that the unit for time. So the Laplace transform for that is gonna be, if I remember correctly, it's gonna be s over s squared plus a squared, if I remember correctly. Now for sine is different. So I have a shortcut for this. Basically, sine and cosine are the same, just a different numerator. Because remember, numerator and denominator. So for their Laplace transforms are actually the same with the denominator. They have the same down piece, but they have the different upper piece. Now the reminder for myself is that cosine has its numerator as s, because cosine. I don't know, I don't make the rules, but that's how I remember my shit. So cosine has the s, as you can see, s squared plus a squared, that one. So yeah. And sine actually uses our numerical coefficient right here. So for sine, for the Laplace transform, sine 80 for the Laplace for the Laplace transform, it's just the numerical coefficient over s squared plus a squared. When will you use this? I never know, but you know what? It's fun to do anyways. I forgot, but yeah, that's how I do it. So for conversion, I'm just gonna do this whip, and Laplace transform symbol type shit for formality. So it's gonna be x of s. There we go. So this is a numerical coefficient that is a constant. We could just remove that. We could just put it out so we could focus on them here. So 4, our numerical coefficient is 4. So s, as we remember correctly earlier, s is over s squared plus a squared, or 4 squared. There we go. Then minus 9, which is our constant. And of course, do it again. So 4 is our numerical coefficient here. Then s squared plus 4 squared is equal to 12 and 16. So we can. This is gonna be simplifiable. We can make it. We can simplify this a little bit later on. So we can make that. So we can simplify it. So we're simplifying it. S is equal to 4s over this it looks like 45. 4s over s squared plus 16. S squared plus 16 minus 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 over the same thingy, the 16. Now this can be simplified even more. So let's write it on another layer. Yeah, on another layer. X of s is equal to what was it again? 4s over s squared plus 16 plus, or was it minus? Oh, minus. It was minus. It's minus 36 over. Now we can combine them into a singular being, but we can have them as 4s. Since they have the same denominator, we can combine them as 4s minus 36 over s squared plus 16. So this could be an answer, but we can make it much more simpler by having it as, of course, both sides are actually divisible by 4. So we can have it as 4 times s. 4 divided by 4 is s, or just 1. So 4 divided by 4 is s, minus 36 divided by 4 is 9. So it's gonna be 9. Yep. Gonna be 9. And voila, this is the answer. We finally have the answer. Ah.